Hi, did you pledge some of your stocks in the portfolio to get extra balance for trading? But instead of getting 100% margin to trade, you got only say 80% as the margin and don't know why? Well, that is called a haircut. When you pledge a stock, the broker holds a portion of its value for safety and gives the rest as a margin for trading. Let us understand with an example. Suppose Mr. Bond has 100 quantity of Zomato in his portfolio and wishes to pledge the same for extra balance to trade in futures and options. The market price of each share is 100 rupees and the applicable haircut is 20%. So, the margin Mr. Bond will get after the haircut is 100 quantity multiplied by 100 rupees, which is equal to rupees 10,000 value of Zomato, out of which 20% haircut will be applicable. So, 10,000 minus 20%, rupees 8,000 will be the margin Mr. Bond will get, and 2,000 rupees will be the applicable haircut. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and/or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.